Hello!
Hello again.
And welcome back.
Welcome to We Made It.
We made it. You'll notice the location change.
Oh yeah.
Again.
We mixed it up on you again.
So this is our favorite place to hang out. We're on our deck right now.
In the gazebo.
The kids are in bed and we decided we wanted to do a video. So you might hear lots of frogs and cicadas.
Crickets.
And stuff, which I don't know if we can edit any of the background noise out.
Sure
Probably
can't.
not. So you're just going to have ambiance.
It's all part of the show, folks.
But we can't do it in the house because we'll wake the kids up. So we are making something that we created.
An original We Made It recipe.
We made it recipe. And we have been sort of tinkering with this. We got the bright idea to make a cocktail based on a peach Melba.
Yum.
And now peach Melba is just, I've actually never had one.
Really?
But it's
have.
just cooked peaches with vanilla ice cream and raspberry puree.
Yep.
That's it.
That's
it's very simple. But because we're in Georgia, so peaches.
Peaches.
We bought some fresh peaches. We were talking about what we could do with them.
Yes.
Peach Melba came up.
Yes.
We never made it. And we're not using peaches in this recipe.
There's no actual fresh peaches in the recipe either.
So this is a peach Melba cocktail using most things that we're not using anything too weird today, which is good. So we're going to start with, and this is a martini because we figured sort of fancy dessert deserves a fancy presentation. Are martinis fancy, or do I just like to pretend that I'm fancy because I'm drinking?
Well, and the word martini is sort of overloaded, right? There's like an actual definition for a martini, but then there's the fact that anything served in this glass,
right?
People just call a martini.
We're putting it in a martini
So we're putting in a martini glass. We're calling it sort of a peach Melba martini.
Yes. Do we do the shaking first, or do we do the fun part first?
Let's do the shaking first and surprise them.
You're
going to be so surprised. You probably didn't even see her put her hand on that bottle. You don't even know what you're...
No idea.
You're going to be surprised.
So we're going to start with, we are using a peach vodka.
We like this peach vodka a lot.
This is Deep Eddy, and they have a couple of flavors. They actually don't have very many flavors of flavored vodka.
No, but they're all very good.
They're all very good. So this is the peach. We also have the cranberry, which is
that's so good.
Super ridiculously good. So how much of the peach am I using?
In a double, we're going to put in 4 ounces. 2 ounces per drink.
Ooh, there we go.
I believe in you.
You maybe shouldn't. All right. Peach vodka. Next, we're going to use vanilla vodka.
Vanilla vodka.
Because we're going for sort of an ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream. This is going to be sort of a peaches and cream thing. So how much?
1 ounce of vanilla vodka.
Because you don't want it to taste like a vanilla bean.
No.
It just needs just a little.
The ice cream goes on top. It's not the actual dessert.
It's not the predominant flavor. The predominant flavor is peach.
Peach.
Okay, so Peach Schnapps.
That bottle.
Oh my god, this is the biggest bottle of Peach Schnapps in the whole world.
Oh.
You
can tell what our priorities are.
We've had it for a while and we've not made much of a dent in it. 1 ounce of this as well,
1 ounce of that as well. Half an ounce per drink.
Yeah. Oh gosh, where is it?
That bottle is amazing.
So we're using lots of peach things in this because we want this to taste like peach.
Oh, yeah.
We tried it without the peach schnapps. We tried it without the peach vodka. And it just didn't have enough peach flavor, right?
And then more peaches.
So more peaches. We're going to go with Peach Nectar. Now, Peach Nectar comes in a can. We opened the can.
I forgot to shake it before I opened it.
So we put it in a mason jar and shook it up.
Yeah.
How much is this? 4 ounces?
4 ounces of this. So 2 ounces per drink.
4 ounces of Peach Nectar, which you can find in your juice aisle or sometimes in the international aisle.
Yes, you can often find it with some of the more Hispanic ingredients. Like they'll have guava nectar and other things like that.
The brand is a Mexican brand.
It is. It is from Mexico.
Jumex, I think. Now I've had trouble finding peach sometimes, but I can usually find mango. So you can find it. You might have to go to Kroger instead of Walmart.
Right.
Or something.
Or when you do find it, buy everything they have because it's 79 cents a can.
That's what we do.
Yeah.
I buy 10 at a time and stick them in the fridge and they're fine. All right. Simple syrup.
We're going to go with 1
1
ounce for the entire double.
Now, this, we tried it without the simple syrup as well, and the peach just needed a little bit of oomph. We needed it to be just a little bit sweeter.
Peach is fruit, but it's not actually that sweet unless you cook it down.
Cook it, yeah. Well, and the peach nectar and is sweet-ish, but it's not overpoweringly sweet. And the peach schnapps, I think, made it a little bitter without the simple syrup.
So. Got a little bite to it, actually.
And then we put our cream in a shot glass. We didn't have to bring out an entire carton.
Yeah.
And we're actually using whole milk, but decided that cream or half and half would be better in this.
Yes, we just don't have any cream tonight.
We just got all the groceries in the world.
Forgot to get cream.
Did not get cream. So.
Oh well.
We're just gonna do. Are we doing the whole ounce?
Yeah, let's go ahead and do the whole ounce.
Okay, so the whole ounce, just 1 ounce, goes in our shaker. And then I'm gonna let you shake because you always let me shake it. So our martini glasses have some frozen raspberries in there just because I happen to have some. It's not mandatory.
It's a garnish because we're feeling very fancy.
I bought raspberries and then have not used them, so I thought, why not?
What's our deal? We shake it till?
Too cold to hold.
Too cold to hold. It's starting to hurt my hand. I'm going to set it down, but we're not going to pour it in right yet.
We are not.
Remember earlier when you didn't see her reaching for that bottle on the far side of the frame?
So I'm I think BJ's sort of embarrassed that we even have this in our liquor cabinets.
A little bit.
But don't be embarrassed.
It smacks of...
So this is raspberry schnapps.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah.
It's razzmatazz.
Yeah.
Now look, we tried to be fancy and use Chambord.
We almost made it.
But it just didn't work.
No, Chambord wasn't as good.
I said Peach Melba has raspberry puree.
It does.
Look, friends, I love all of you, but I am not about to stand and puree raspberries for you for this video. So this...
She wouldn't do that for me.
No.
And we're married.
Right. So this is gonna give us that thicker, syrupy raspberry sweetness, goodness that we're looking for. So all I did was pour...
Not into the shaker.
I mean, like that.
Into the bottom of the glass. Maybe a half an ounce, 3/4 of an ounce.
This is my accuracy right here. Like, I'm covering the raspberries.
Okay.
So we brought a bar spoon out because we are going to pour the stuff out of the shaker over the bar spoon, and it will help it to not mix in with the raspberry schnapps.
So I'm going to do that pour.
And you can just use a teaspoon, like a regular, out of your silverware set spoon. We just happen to have a fancy schmancy bar spoon, and it makes him feel very important to use it.
I am very important. I don't know what you're talking about.
I think it makes it feel like a real bartender.
It does make me feel like a real bartender.
And this part too.
Clearly not a real bartender.
Okay, so there's one. There's the other one. So look.
I'm going to show it off.
Look at this.
Show it off.
Look at that. Look at, isn't that pretty? How it does not mix. And the cool thing about this is that because it's not mixed, now you could stir it up if you wanted to at this point, but the fun part for us was drinking the first, I don't know, half of it, and then the flavor sort of starts to change, and you get more raspberry the further down you go. Oh, yeah. And when I got about 3/4 of the way through, I started to kind of just swirl it or just stir it with my finger. You could use a spoon if you're civilized.
We're not.
I'm not. But it's kind of cool because the flavor sort of starts to change and get more raspberry-y.
Raspberry-y. Go with that.
Yep,
I'm going to allow it.
Sweeter as you get to the bottom.
All right, so take another look at this. While we hold it up, and you see at the bottom there's that razzmatazz that stays separated out.
Oh, good. I'm not waiting for you. I'm drinking it.
Okay, I'll stand here and explain the drink while you pound it like a lush.
Stop. Oh. Nailed it.
I mean, that's really good.
Does that taste like
you should have one of those
with vanilla ice cream?
It sure does. It's peaches and cream with just a hint of raspberry.
Yep.
And then as you go down through the drink, you're going to get more raspberry, like you're scraping the sauce off the bottom of the bowl.
Oh, man.
Oh, we're good at this.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To all of you out in YouTube land. Thank you for watching.
This was the Peach Melba Martini. The Peach Melba-tini?
Peach Melba-tini.
Melba-tini.
Yeah.
There you go.
Subscribe to our channel.
Please do. Like the video.
Like the video. Tell all your friends.
Do you have friends?
I mean...
You should have friends.
We don't.
Make some friends.
Be our friends.
Yes, but make other friends. Friends that will subscribe to our channel.
True, and then tell them. So we have no theme right now. But so we'll be back next time with something completely random.
Who knows?
Who knows?
Cheers.
Cheers. Are we done yet?
Are we done what? Married? Or with the video? Now, was it the same guy, the Sausage World guy, the Romanian guy that you went to?
Transylvanian guy.
Transylvanian guy?
From Transylvania.
He said he's from Romania, and he's from near
Dracula's
Dracula's
castle. That's Transylvania.
That is weird. That we're buying our sausages in Georgia.
Transylvanian?
From a vampire.
From a vampire.
He's a vampire.
He is. I mean, we've only been married for like 100 years.
16 years almost. It's been a while. It's been a long freaking time.
100 years.
Isn't Jacob the werewolf?
I don't know. I've never seen those movies.
I thought Jacob was the werewolf. I'm judging mine.
Are you? I should judge mine.
Definitely judge yours.
You have to stop saying judge because you can't type it into closed captions.
That's right. I had to look up how to spell it so I could put it in the closed captioning on the video.
Oh, it's so good. I love that it's different on the bottom.
Yeah, it's so cool. It transforms as you drink it.
What happened to yours?
I don't know. Did you drink it? Right.
Pull your shorts up above your belly button.
What?
Yes. When you're sitting down.
That's a thing?
Pull them up. It sucks everything in down here.
Okay. Gotta.
So.
Whoa!
Your face is hilarious.
That is really sour. You're following Corey on, was it Instagram? Is it on your Instagram or Facebook
stories? Which it will be gone by the time this.
Oh yeah.
We put
there's
this up.
There's video of me vigorously shaking a shake weight.
We found
at
a shake
a
weight
Goodwill.
at Goodwill today.
What about
second cocktails?
What about brunch and elevensies? Lunch, dinner, supper. I don't think he knows about those either, Pip. Is there YouTube in Ireland? Is that what you're asking? I think there's YouTube in Ireland.
That's not really what I meant. I mean, it is, but I meant like...
Yes, they have internet in Ireland.
That's not what I meant. So, Peach Melba.
Peach Melba.
Martini.
What was that?
The sky is falling.
The sky, is that acorns falling on the deck?
Somebody let Honey know. I'm done. I'm done with you.
Enough.